Alright, to make this super epic cape, I'm gonna need 2 fabrics. Well, depending if you want to line it or not, and if it will look good lined or not. So I'm making this one for my dad. Mango. I'm making this one for my dad for the Green Bay Packer game, and we tried to find the yellow crushed velvet that I know we have, and now I know where it is, but I couldn't find it that day, so I got this one instead. But like velvet linings look really cool. Sometimes velvet on the outside can turn out looking kind of bad in pictures. But anyways, or at least crushed velvet. So anyways, is Green Bay Packers colors, and we're gonna figure mango, because I doubt they're the same wide. One is a knit, one is a cosplay fabric. So we're gonna see if they line up, and if not, I'll teach you how to line. This video is quite literally sponsored by Joann's. I work there, that's where all my money comes from.
I'm on the move, the real funky groove. The past is the place I cannot ever erase. Dancing in the dark, you got a tight grip on my heart. Bleeding from my chest, I think I can get some rest. Always on my mind till I found out that you're not mine. Yellow dogs are turning back, wishing that I could go back. Hop about a planet that don't even got a name, yeah. Feeling wavy off a beam, kicking with my damn team. And all my mind be taking over all the signs.
Alright, he said knee length, and my dad is 2 inches taller than me, so I'm just gonna go a little bit lower than my knee, and that should be his knee. And I think I'm gonna use the width. Like, the width is the perfect length, but I don't know if I wanna cut down the sides as much, or if I should just cut along the bottom. Because I don't really want this to be the front, because then I'd have to, like, I'd rather this be the top, since I'm folding down the top anyways to put this drawstring. So we're just gonna cut it the actual lengthwise. I probably only needed a yarn, and we got 2.
Up to the sun, I can't go back. I fucked up all of that. I tried to be the best I could. I let the demons overlook. I'm just a devil boy trying to keep my mind straight. I'm gonna be the perfect person to eliminate. I'm toxic, bitch. Don't you think that I am shit? Freddie got the blues, seeing all these easy clues. I will get over all these things I feel inside.
News flash, hehe. I don't have a bobbin or any thread that matches the yellow, which would be the bobbin, unless I sewed it this way. Either way, I don't have a thread, so I'm pretty sure I have one at the house. How is it already? going to fold this over and sew it, leaving a little hole for a string to do like a bit of a drawstring kind of contraption. To sew this part, since it's going to be the front and the back, I'm switching to that color for both the bobbin and the thread.
It's sad that you don't believe me. I'm just trying to tutor you.
I've cut a string to the size that I need it to tie around, and I put it on a safety pin to make it easier to push through the fabric. I'm going to push it through to the other side. I finished sewing this and I cut it down to the size he wants. I'm just going to finish sewing the sides and then it's done. That's how you make a cape, fella.
I got a special place for you up in my mind.